Today, Betty Crockpot is making a chicken meal. What is this called, honey?
Huh?
What is this called? You have it on the video over there.
I'm just mixing up
Just
stuff.
putting a lot of stuff in there. Chicken, whatever it is. This is Miss Marie's famous recipe, world-renowned recipe from Betty Crockpot herself. And it looks pretty good. But I want to get a close-up. Oh, now the camera got fogged. There. Doesn't that look good? You can pick up the latest edition of Betty Crockpot's home cooked meals. All you can keep down for $1.99 at Betty Crockpot's new restaurant.
What are you doing, honey? This is not for sale or anything. It's for us.
Soon to be for sale.
Why are you putting it on video?
So people can see that you're cooking for me. She's keeping me healthy.
Oh, they know. And we don't have to tell them our private life.
Well, we got to show them what you're cooking so they know that I'm eating and we're eating. And we're not starving to death. Chicken whatchamacallit.